Hi and welcome. I'm Julieanne Cost, and in the next few minutes, we're going to be discussing whether or not we should be using one single catalog or multiple catalogs in order to organize our photographs. So first, let's just start off by defining what a catalog is to make sure that we're all in the same place. So when you first open Lightroom Classic, it creates a catalog. Now, the catalog is separate from the Lightroom Classic application. A catalog is a database, and it's where Lightroom Classic keeps all of the information about the images. So it'll keep track of your star ratings and your keywords and your copyright information, as well as any collections you might make or virtual copies. Keeps track of all of the developed settings, as well as all of your settings like for slideshows or for print or for the book module. So the Lightroom Classic catalog does not contain your actual photographs. It's a database about your photographs, and it contains previews of your photographs. So should we use one master catalog or multiple catalogs? Well, that really depends on your workflow. There are several reasons to use a single catalog, and that's what I try to do. It's a very simple but powerful workflow. Because Lightroom Classic can only open one catalog at a time, if all of our images are in a single catalog, we can then view and work with all of our photos at once without having to open and close different catalogs. So this means it's also going to be very easy for us to find our photos because they're in one catalog. And so we can just select all photos, and then we can say filter on text like Iceland, or we can filter on attributes such as stars, or we can use the metadata in order to find our images. We can also make groups of photographs from multiple shoots and combine them and store them and save them in a single collection. And we can sync our images to the cloud in order to access them across devices. And the difference in speed really isn't significant if you have 100 or 1,000 or hundreds of thousands of images in a single catalog. Now, there are benefits and significant reasons to also use multiple catalogs. Say, for example, you want to keep your professional photography separate from your personal work. You might have one catalog that has all your client work in it and another catalog that has all your snapshots or family photos in it. You may also have a client who needs to have their work private. Maybe you're photographing product shots of a product that is in prototype or has yet to be announced. Or maybe you're a large volume shooter who has a workflow where basically you shoot, you edit, you sell, and then archive that workflow. So a good example would be an event photographer who, after delivering the images from the event, rarely needs to access those images again. In this case, the photographer might want to create a separate catalog for each event and archive the catalog with the event. And then there's a multi-user workflow. For example, if you're working in a studio environment where you want the catalog and the images to be moved from one person to another. So for example, maybe the photographer makes the initial edits and then hands off the catalog and the images to a retoucher who's going to retouch the images, or maybe who's going to lay out a wedding album, or maybe take it to the sales room. And finally, there's the on-location shoots. So when I travel with my laptop and I create a new catalog on that laptop specifically for the trip. And then when I return to the studio, I merge the on-location catalog with my master catalog at home. So there you go. I hope that helps you to decide whether you're going to be using a single catalog for all of your work or multiple catalogs depending on the client. I'm Julieanne Cost. Thanks for watching.